Hello and thank you for joining me on episode number 5 of our Succeeding Despite Ransomware series. I'm here in our Phoenix data center today because we're talking about the cloud and if it's really the answer to all of our problems. Now, the term cloud has become the term we use for just about anything that isn't on-premise. But really, what is the cloud? Well, it's just your programs and your data on someone else's server in another part of the country or another part of the world. Now, although it's a great tool and really pretty cool technology, it still has its drawbacks. Here are 3 of those drawbacks that you really need to consider. Number 1, you are surrendering all your data to your cloud provider. Even if it's a big company, there's still a chance for data loss, data corruption, and periods of inaccessibility. Yes, even the big guys in cloud services do go offline from time to time. Number 2, your cybersecurity is out of your control. Your cloud provider is 100% responsible for protecting and securing your data. When they get hit by ransomware, it can affect your data too. And number 3, your data is subject to your cloud provider's data retention and data protection policies. Here's a great example of what I'm talking about. Microsoft 365. What a great service, but after 30 days, you are on your own to recover any deleted email, Teams data, or OneDrive files. Well, what if you want a 1-year retention and backup policy for your data? Well, sorry, you're actually on your own after 30 days. So what do? This is where I make the case that you still need an on-premise backup appliance or server. And why do you still need to have a backup device on-prem? Well, number 1, on-prem is still the fastest way to recover after a cyber attack or human error which deleted your data. Even if you have gigabit fiber internet, it could still take days depending on how much data you have in the cloud to recover all that data. Number 2, an on-prem backup appliance or server provides the strongest immutability as you're in control of your data protection and retention. And as you know, immutable data backup is the only proven way to defend against ransomware. And number 3, an on-prem backup solution is not subject to outages at a cloud provider. It's in-house and you always have access to your backed up data no matter what happens somewhere else in the world where your cloud provider may exist. And you can be sure that your data is never stored or moved offshore to a data center in another country when you control it in-house. To be sure, you still need to store your data off-site at a trusted cloud provider, but you really need to consider an on-premise backup server or appliance. Now, as we wrap up, I want to showcase 2 different solutions that we offer and we actually use ourselves to protect our data and our customers' data. Now, for commercial and enterprise businesses, we use and recommend the Object First Immutable Backup Appliance, built to work with the Veeam backup and replication software. They offer capacities from 64 all the way up to 500 terabytes. Their appliance works incredibly well, and we have them in our data center as well as in our customer offices. Now, for the SMB market, we offer our own SiloVault backup server and appliances. These compact plug-and-play servers are preloaded with Veeam backup and replication software and provide a self-contained immutable backup server service to be able to restore your backups to the server when your main server or cloud provider goes offline. These range in capacity from 4 to 60 terabytes in size. So let me know your questions. I'm always happy to talk tech and give you some ideas to keep your business in business after a cyber attack. So thank you very much and have a great day.